Tritium DCFC Limited announced plans to expand its American footprint with a new manufacturing facility in Lebanon, Tennessee. The location is expected to house up to 6 production lines for Tritium DC fast chargers, including the company award-winning RTM and all-new PKM 150 models. The new facility is also anticipated to bring more than 500 jobs to the region over the next 5 years. All chargers produced at the facility are expected to comply with applicable Buy America Act provisions under Federal Highway Administration (FHWA) requirements for domestic sourcing. The Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act, bipartisan infrastructure law, is expected to provide $7.5 billion of investment for deploying a network of 500,000 EV chargers along highway corridors in the United States. This network is intended to facilitate long-distance travel, as well as shorter-distance travel within communities, to provide convenient charging options and encourage the electrification of transportation across the country.